Being Roger, be advised to try to draw you in and use the dish. Be careful, gents.
All right, tunnel. Confirm you're ready to fire. Fire first, go ahead. Firing. Missiles away. Roger. Alright, I'll be bringing up to the left.
Viper 5-5, Bushmaster White 1.
White 155, go ahead.
Have you engaged anything at all yet, over?
Yeah, Roger, put missile into the first house. My aircraft is currently on the house. Alright, sir. I don't know if we were hit or there you go, fire. Down the whole area. It's going in.
Okay, and just so we're tracking you, you got it at the 5-1.
Going up. R3C, big box. Got it. Clear, fire.
Viper 5-5, White 1.
White 1, Viper 5-5, go ahead.
Roger, are you inbound for another run on those two houses, over?
Roger, I'm firing. Roger. Response on. The White. Roger, response on. Where? They want, between those two houses, target 13, target 15, they want everything around it destroyed. I got the little house. Roger, response on. Roger. And then you see the greenhouse is short of their crest? Yes, sir. We'll go up guns after that. Put right on the greenhouses. You gotta come on though. Come on. Put that missile. Roger, missile to White. Good shot. Venture. It hit. Okay, we should clear and go back. Bring them on. One, missile, keep it coming. That one hit. That one's gonna hit. One more.
Last calling station, White 1.